Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically we'll demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here, guys. That's the Ford. Now, before we continue, let me tell you, you have two fuse boxes. One is under the hood, guys, right above the radiator fan. That's the fuse box. Now, we don't need that one today. We need another fuse box that's actually located inside your F-150 under the glove box in the passenger compartment right here by that kick panel, guys. If you come right there by the kick panel, we remove that cover, you get to the fuse box, open it, and it will look just like that. We took the picture, we zoomed it so we can clearly see what we're talking about. Now let's first cover quick why it's very important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So we'll be working, guys, on that row of fuses right here on the very left side. That last fuse right here, guys, will be the one that you need to check for your alarm. That 10M fuse, guys, right here. That's the fuse that you need to check. If you need to buy cheap fuses relays at a good price, a very affordable price, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.